Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. In this video, we are going to look at some important grammar topics which will come into your board exams HSC 12th standard French from the Rencontre textbook. This is your index of the textbook. Now looking at this, you can take a pencil in your hand and you can mark down these topics from the index itself. First one and foremost, it is going to be what? Passé composé. Passé composé. This one, past tense. Okay. Then article participative are also important. Article participative. Then we have two. This is fine. I am not saying do not do this topic, but which I am marking important, please do it on priority. Then y and en, these are pronouns, pronopersonal, very important. Then irregular verbs, make a list of all the irregular verbs together. Then passive composite with and final again. Adverbs, superlative, comparative. Yes. Irregular verbs again, we have it. Then pronominal verbs. Pronominal verbs not only in present tense, but in all the tenses, you should know how to conjugate it. So it is important. Then formula of negation, ria, jamais, nothing, never. So this is important. We know C is fine. Imparfait, again on priority. Irregular verbs, you will make a list. Moving on the next part, future, future tense, very important. Prono relative, very, very important. Please do these both the topics. In tenses, we know the tenses that we have, but out of those, on priority, number one, passé composé, then future, then imparfait, then conditional present. And from 11th standard, we already had what? Future proche and passé récent. That will continue. Then here we have sixth one, conditionnel présent, important again. Phrases avec C, very important. Irregular verbs, make a list. Verb manqué, prepositions and expressions. This is the vocabulary part. These topics I am marking on priority. Do these first and then do the others. And obviously, lesson 0, very, very important because it covers all the important topics which were taught in grammar in योर 11th स्टैंडर्ड. सो आपको 11th स्टैंडर्ड वाला तो सब कुछ ही आने वाला है क्योंकि आपके इसमें लेसन 0 जो है उसमें पूरे 11th स्टैंडर्ड का ग्रामर है. सो इट इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू स्टडी दिस. These are the important grammar topics which I have marked. Do this on priority and then do the others. Do not leave the other topics as well. I'll be taking these important topics, devoting more time to these important topics in the crash course. I've made a separate video about the crash course as well. Okay? Keep studying, make your parents proud of you.